We'll guide you through how to humanize ChatGPT with the latest methods available in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to go to the settings gear icon in the lower left corner. Click on that to access your settings. Now you should see an option labeled personalization or something similar, as the UI can change slightly with updates. Click on that option. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with various sliders and toggles that allow you to adjust the personality traits of ChatGPT. You can make it more formal or casual, increase its humor, or even adjust its empathy level. To humanize it, you might want to increase the empathy and humor sliders a bit. This will make interactions feel more natural and engaging. After you make your adjustments, click on the Save Settings button at the bottom. Try out a few prompts to see how these changes affect ChatGPT's responses. You can always go back and tweak the settings further if needed. Remember, these adjustments are all about making the AI feel more human and relatable in your interactions. A quick tip: periodically check for updates to these settings, as OpenAI is always improving the customization options based on user feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.